Malaysia mare ngore kane lingo social media officially but take a right mi le road and gomane isha gur ko ba my opinion de me maten kane lo guro ba liop ko pa idio go bulunke jago so yesterday je bon ko social media apparently te ti shaga gomane and video ne to sakajak so my name Ruth. Thank you for your opinion is lad ko ne man kono wal unu kono wale akala kun commandant because the generation chungwan man alone ka wuna. I do agree with that. But before I can kono more can kono ne practice. Kon man to ba ukwen ko roki kon man in general kon no kon the practice first. Kon road and korea like kenyam bana kulu wo ka step ko ne ibu wunu kon buka kwen more than one wife. Ko wunu kon bo akarodi area like before chika mande ko kien chicken kanunga to talk one ka practice kenyam then manamo bukulo bunkor with that being said malore keja walling nyarung one ten kubu right commander they kill wuni to kwen commander or kel man can na herodian man can pet herodian muchu waka gambel mishi jitilian keys you know somebody there they didn't have story ni kien recently I think it was last year take a ship mishinya de yat Kakandaro movie with your background, any chick chakam guade, a chowder. Any chick and me chakam guade, teramadora, quacker, quacker, but still is not enough. Why? Because con men were rich or no caro. Qua paline haro risha quen, ni liam look at get chowdu ya good, Kanyamado dear like judging or didn't chill did we all be your mahui in ye. No more is something mugoro ban a conflicts kenyama. Because what is the point? Kobu wood, Bakuna command to cook and Kabu man, Robi Cham Chimbuman, Robinak, Kamaki and Bugad can book a laren. For what? And take a right mirror, dear, and Kuna and mention Ko. A one kept because Sungwana men, real men, kaka prostitution, they are going through divorcee, they are single mothers. First of all, prostitution, and Yamu can yo. The reason when your content ke je airport, she quick or lack of men to kwenke. Near Corridian news nakan. Let's even talk about mere chicken and jing. The kind of work bako gore doli jana. Nikajan juvenile more. Bako gore doli jana. Book a bindikachi talk a live video. But doli Nuer baka velador. So what's the cause of that? Do you still think a quick on and a wunuk on quicken? So all I'm saying, con man Nuer a check chanororia like a Kenya. Ni medan back then, wando no con kunka commandan this man man. Even I know kel misako la ramadong istiricha yogi shimute dore. Misha gui kona ne shadi ki shagui kona ne the family de bedit la chode la yoga to kona ne bukwen ka sugar road. Kamishi Jan Barada J be shake the Ugor. Why? It's because those people they are responsible. Come on and made an Nakarodian. Nyakan did Kajan did Kajan right now. So before we encourage our men, Kona Nebuka Kwan commandant dish, con as a man, channing your Chanaroria Luka. Morodian, Tan Woon, they are very irresponsible. That's why God can long canawal, quick and go around God can. That's why a lot of mothers are single mothers because of Chowki and are very irresponsible. That's why some woman can divorce me because of irresponsible man. So imagine a responsible man to Jian we can command that day. How does that sound? Command that day talking the look at God. And I look a lot of Muruno. So let's encourage our men to work hard to be responsible. Then Banaka should courage to have more wives. How can you bring fire on top of fire? It's not gonna work. She and personally, Chana no go there where or me polygamous. But tackle my reason. Do not my reason it at all. Allow Mishagu Ikonene. She can do happen. A go nay. Why not? It's better than him. Boarar, Boatosh commander Kokian. You know, it's better go to shake brother being added to go and shake the Misha Kwan. It's better, but the thing is, shake more blue core of a link here. So, I'm Barorialaka as a person, shake me Barorialaka as a person before she come. ngai ko ne ta ka gad ka te ka gad ko bine karoma la garam ker. So no more chano rodan kon nye kidio kon men. Okay? Go wunu kon, let them be a very hardworking men as they are. Chang duken ke weakness ne bana ka longa muku kon ka fix. But let's fix ourselves. Chano rodan yakan iti boom. Of course, ang adel loy de tet ko na ti she tong mirar a single kotel wood mu kwena ka chawdu jagwa man. Nobody. But let's see the reason why nobody. The reason why mandu wan cha gor ka jena ne bi shawdu kwen ki sheng maradian. Jin ko ni shib du medit ko ni real ka bugar ko bi real ka be responsible man bi sheng maradian bi ku lo no. Ka shib du bo mu win make sure she is under your control. Okay, because man and wala magaka wune, she dun ko na tungor kan kay siya ka kam mati video na man ngaya kan. Chang kam ya magoro still book wagak. So please, ajana goro ba majirut promote that thing, promote love between us. Nijno kon man banaro nagadidi. Kon man banaro shingedidi ala shiram kel. No more we successful, then we're good to go. Okay, Quinn. Why not?